Alright, so that's my car. Gonna show you the car and some mods that I made already. So yeah, just the impressions and everything, just overall look. Is a Mazda CX-30 2024. So that's the external part of it, right? It's a nice car, by the way. I like it. So yeah, just the overall looks great. It's beautiful. And yeah, so let's go to the stuff. So first thing I put was this sticker, just because I like and remember the McLaren Formula 1 logo, which is my team, and I like it. This mod, I'm not sure, you know, there's those stickers like protector for the handle, but I don't know if I like it, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. So for now it stays there, but maybe I'm gonna be removing them. And all right, so let's open it. So it's a contactless key, and the first thing I like and I want to show is this thing. I put the struts. I put this camera, I think it's better to show the car, right? So those struts under the hood. So this helps actually, you know, I just open with one hand because I'm recording, so this makes the life much easier. And yeah, this is one of the mods that I recommend. By the way, everything that I put in my car, I'm gonna put the link on the description, or link or name, or at least as reference or something. But yeah, that's it. So, but this is a very good mod, by the way. I highly recommend. Makes the life much easier. You just saw it, you know, like I open with my left hand. Very convenient. Okay, so get inside the car. So another thing that I like very much, by the way, are those mats. It's like all weather mats. This helps a lot as well with the protection of the floor of the car, right? So mine is a exclusive line. It's a European car, right? So I live in Italy, and now I'm in Slovenia, but the model is, I live in Italy, so the model is from there. Yeah, so that's it. So small stuff that I put. This protector for the center console, right? It's like carbon fiber finishing. I really like this because the original one is actually like, I don't know, piano black or something, like it's a glossy black that I seriously don't like and gets dirty with like literally anything. It's a fingerprint magnet, right? So then I put this is pretty good, and I mean, I don't know, for me it looks good, and doesn't look like dirty every time, you know. So this helps. Also, this is where I put my phone. So while like driving, I keep charging here. There's the original charger here, but I don't like it. And on this position, I can change the song if I want on the phone. Or like, I don't know, if I receive some audio or whatever, then I can listen to it easier in this position. And this charger much faster than the original one. So that's why. And also I have two options, right? So then I can put my phone on the original spot there, but it's a little bit slow, or here. So like MagSafe, you know. I'm gonna turn on the car because it's freaking hot already. Okay, so this is it's me again with the car turned on. Another mod that I put is also the same carbon fiber that I just mentioned here. I put as well on the door, right? So for the same reason, is the original place is like, I don't know, black piano. I don't like it, so I put this, and I like the effect. I like how it looks, and you know, avoid the fingerprints and everything. And also I put this stuff is like a pocket on the door handle. This helps because it doesn't change anything on the functionality of the door, and is another place to put something if you want, whatever. It's nice to put. It's like cost nothing, you know. It's like Temu or AliExpress kind of stuff. So it's, I don't know, the cost is nothing basically. So things that I highly recommend. I put on the windscreen, I put the film, but it's like without color, right? So then avoid problems with the, I don't know, regulation and stuff. But then it doesn't interfere anything on the drivability, but protects about the hot weather, right? So it's like UV protector on the windshield. That's really, really helpful. I recommend very much. And here on the sides I put as well the same thing, like without color. so have no problem with the police or something or the regulation and stuff, but it's really convenient. And the big mod that I made on the car is actually the sound system, because this is the base model, so it's an exclusive line. This actually can come with the Bose system or the base audio system. Mine came with the base audio system, and it's a shit, honestly. It's horrible. It's really, really bad. So the original system, right? So then I put some DSP and put like a subwoofer. I'm gonna show you down there, and also the place that I made the installation made this, you know, like this is 3D printed. So they scanned my car and they 3D printed this and made the finishing and everything. So it looks really nice in my opinion. And also, so it's like a three-way, right? So then we have like one speaker here. This is the woofer, of course. This is the mid, and the tweeter goes here on the original position. So we keep using the original position, and we use a third one for woofer. So yeah, by the way, the DSP and the, how can I show you? I don't know if I can show you because it's well hidden here, right? Yeah, we cannot see, but it's under the seat. So the amplificator and the DSP are here. So I use one DSP amplificator for the stereo system and another amplificator only for the subwoofer that goes here. I'm gonna show you guys. So it's electrical opening. This is quite convenient as well. So a few other things that I recommend. This net, just to keep the things here, like this is the windscreen cleaner, so it's nice to have, and then this not keep like bouncing around or something, like, and umbrella, so this helps, this net. Also gonna put the link on the description. Also the all-weather floor, right? And then down here we have everything that comes with the car originally and some stuff that I put extra. And I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but this is the subwoofer. It's very small. It's an Audison. I'm gonna also put on the description for, you know, for clarification. But basically, it's an Audison that comes closed. It's like a sealed box, and it's really, really powerful. You know, it's like I was not believing so much when I saw it because it's really small. But yeah, I'll do it later. With one hand, it's not so easy. But it's really, really powerful. So I tried to demonstrate a little bit. I think this is gonna be nice for you guys to hear. So, but I recommend because we can keep the clean space on the trunk, and yeah, it's convenient, right? So I don't know if you guys can hear, but look. Okay, I'm not gonna keep it so much because of the problems with YouTube and this kind of stuff, but it's powerful. It's really, really powerful. I'm gonna put the name of the place and the location, everything where I did this installation of the sound system. It's really, really good. I recommend them. So if you are like nearby, north of Italy or somewhere nearby, you guys can go there and talk with Moreno. He did the installation in my car. And it was, the price was okay, you know, it's like market price because I searched other stores nearby, and the price was not so different, but the quality is incredibly good. So I think they did an awesome installation in my car, so I'm happy with it. And also the thing they did, and I'm really, really recommending this car, is the soundproofing, sound deadening inside the door, right? So they remove all the panels and everything, and they did the sound deadening completely inside of it. So this makes the road noise and the engine noise way less, you know, than the original. And so this also helps for the audio quality of the aftermarket system, right? So this is something I highly recommend. Also, they did the installation of the windshield film and everything. Windshield film and here as well on the window, right? So yeah, XTreme sound system or something like this, the name of their business. Anyway, link on the description, name on the description too, references and everything. So yeah, that's it. I'm happy with the car, but I was okay happy after just purchasing the car, but since I did all these upgrades, now I'm really happy with it. So, and I can hear to decent audio quality. This makes a huge difference. And before that, I used to have a Mazda 3. There was the Bose sound system, which is decent, but still not so good, you know. So in this car now, with this installation, sounds incredibly good. I'm really satisfied, you know. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if you have some question or something to comment, just leave the comment below, and that's all.